Creating a listing in Walmart Seller Central. You can import your store from other e-commerce. Choose a product for listing. Find UPC code using View Page Source. If UPC code showing null, use product ID. Paste UPC code or product ID into the search box and press enter. Click on Add Item. Input product SKU, selling price and shipping weight. In optional, no need to submit anything. Then click on Submit. After few times, product will be active. If product listings show error, just click on Edit, change the start and ending date, and submit again. It will be active.